What are some tips or equipment to get quality video recordings on a smartphone? Pretty much any phone you can buy has a decent rear camera. My top 3 tips will be to record with abundant light, as much as you can. Even better if the light source is the sun. That way you can forget about the flickering and the white balance is much easier. Tip number 2 would be to record horizontally, even if most of the content you see is displayed vertically. That way it's a lot easier to frame and you can always crop in later on. You can do the same the other way around. If you record something vertically, you're pretty much stuck with it. Tip number 3 would be to have decent sound. Now, decent sound is very subjective, but you can always take care of the echo and the noise around you. And as I said before, pretty much any phone has a decent mic, so you don't really have an excuse here.
Okay, I think tips for getting quality video on smartphone is 1, make sure you have great lighting. I know some of these newer phones are getting better at getting low light, but a lot of just currently don't. So make sure you have good lighting. That way you can get a nice crisp picture and then so nothing fuzzy, nothing grainy. The next thing I would say is good audio, depending on what type of video you're making. There's plenty of microphone options. I can't name off the top of my head, but we'll put in the links in the description. The mics that we like using, especially the mics for an iPhone. I know Max has a preference for iPhone. So yeah, quality, because the last thing a lot of people put pressure in. A lot of people try to prioritize video quality and forget about audio quality. You got to remember that when people are watching you, they're hearing you. And if it sounds like you're in, I don't know, if you're in a bathroom stall or something and it's too echoey, it kind of takes the immersion away. And then other ones are like good quality videos. Along with filming your main thing, try to get quality B-roll to kind of help support your story from filming wherever you're filming. Learn basic shot composition, learn your rule of thirds, golden rule, and all that stuff, because that's just going to help. You don't want to just guess in filming.